Hello everyone. Today, we're debating the age-old question. What matters more, money or happiness? Representing money, we have Ria. Representing happiness, we have Rahul. Each side will present their argument, followed by rebuttals. Let's begin.
Thank you. Moderator, I'm Ria. I am going to talk about money or happiness, which one is most needed. I'm representing money. Ladies and gentlemen, money is the foundation of a secure, comfortable life. Without money, basic needs like food, shelter, and healthcare remain unfulfilled. Think about it. Money provides opportunities. It allows you to pursue education, travel, and experiences that enrich your life. Even achieving happiness often requires financial resources. Want to go on a vacation or take a mental health break? Money is your enabler. In today's world, financial stability equals peace of mind. Struggles with poverty lead to stress and unhappiness. A person without money cannot even think about happiness because their priority becomes survival. Hence, money is not just a necessity but the cornerstone of a happy life.
Thank you, moderator. I'm Rahul. I'm going to talk about money or happiness. Which one is most needed? I'm representing happiness. Ladies and gentlemen, while money is important for meeting basic needs, it cannot guarantee happiness. Happiness stems from emotional connections, meaningful relationships, and a sense of purpose, things money cannot buy. If money were the sole determinant of happiness, why do we hear of wealthy individuals feeling unfulfilled? Studies consistently show that beyond a certain income level, more money doesn't increase happiness. True joy comes from simple things: a child's laughter, a supportive family, or pursuing passions that make life meaningful. Even during tough times, people with emotional support and a positive mindset find happiness without wealth. Therefore, happiness is the ultimate goal, not money.
Your argument is appealing, but let's be practical. Relationships and emotional well-being are indeed valuable, but they often flourish when financial worries are absent. For example, a family struggling with unpaid bills will face tension, no matter how strong their bonds. Moreover, money empowers you to give back to society, fund causes, and support loved ones. It's not about materialism, it's about creating possibilities. Without money, even pursuing your passions becomes difficult. Isn't it easier to be happy when you are not worrying about survival?
While financial security can ease stress, it's not the only factor in achieving happiness. People in modest circumstances often find immense joy through community, creativity, or spirituality. Consider the emotional toll of chasing wealth. People burn out, lose relationships, or sacrifice their health. And the more you have, the more you want. Money creates a never-ending cycle of greed, while happiness is found in gratitude and contentment. Happiness is priceless, and no amount of money can buy it. Would you trade your peace of mind or loved ones for financial gain? We think not.
Thank you both for your compelling arguments. It's clear that while money provides security and opportunities, happiness stems from deeper, intangible sources. The debate between money and happiness may never end, but perhaps the real answer lies in balance. What do our audience members think? Can money truly buy happiness, or is happiness the ultimate wealth? Let us know your thoughts.